Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Overwatch 2, but there are ways to address it. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate controller drift. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect your controller for any debris or dirt around the analog sticks. Clean the area gently with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any particles that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Adjust deads and settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Adjust the deads and settings for the analog sticks, increasing them slightly to see if it helps reduce the drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to the console or PC and check for any available updates through the manufacturer's software. Step 4. Reset controller settings. Reset your controller settings to default. This can often resolve any configuration issues that may be contributing to the drift. Step 5. Consider hardware solutions. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks or using a different controller. Sometimes hardware wear can lead to ongoing drift issues that require a more permanent solution. By following these steps, you can help mitigate controller drift and improve your gaming experience in Overwatch 2.